अस्सलाम वालेकुम। खैरियत से? जी जी जी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं?
जी सर, कैसे हैं सर? कैसे हैं? खैरियत से?
सर कैसे आज
Good evening, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Team Pakistan and of course Pakistan Cricket Board, I just would like to thank you all for the invitation. It's great to be here. It's always good to be here. I have come here after many years. I can't recall it back in 1989 when I first toured as a teenager here, and you know, lovely people. I'm meeting some of them here.
Welcoming Australia to play in Pakistan in due course. Pakistan's current team is blessed to have patronage of three top Pakistani cricket legends. Prime Minister Imran Khan, who won the ODI World Cup for Pakistan in Melbourne in 1992, is currently the patron-in-chief of Pakistan cricket. Pakistan's most successful Test captain, Misbah-ul Haq, holding many world records to his credit, is currently the chief selector. Waqar was the youngest ever Pakistani Test captain at the time of his appointment. Waqar is even today recognized among the world's best bowlers. Bradman Foundation is on. Zimbabwe had ruled for an old ODI series in Pakistan. Bangladesh women cricket team is currently playing in Pakistan. We have also hosted in Pakistan international players in world.
The thoughts of so many Australians were with your countrymen as they watched that tragedy unfold. So it makes it all the more special that you and your colleagues are able to host us this evening on the occasion of the visit to Canberra of the Pakistan cricket team. And I join with all cricket-loving Australians to extend to you a very warm welcome here. Ours is a relationship steeped in history and deepening and modernising with time. There has been a long-standing rivalry between our two countries in the sport of cricket that has been played with great competitiveness on the field and with real friendship off the field. I think Pakistanis are just as passionate about their cricket as Australians are. So you'll understand when I say I wish you all luck and success, but not too much of either, for the remainder of your tour. Thank you.